Japanese temple bell, bronze, Buddhist. Okay, actually this is from a different listing. I've got this really cool door knocking thing. So I'll show you. Let's have a look here. I just listed this thing recently, and so, so this particular striker is not included. But let's see now. Unfortunately and very sadly, this bell has a crack, and it's just really sad that that's the case. You can still get quite a good sound out of it. As you can hear. Now I'm striking with the edge of this striker here. But if you do strike, I'll strike on the flat. So, yeah, that's not going to give a good strike. But you can still get a decent sound out of it for certain. But the problem that we have found, I'll just file that over there. Let's see now. I guess if you bug me, I'll probably will get a striker for it. Just remind me. Let us have a look what kind of striker I could rustle up. Let's have a look over here. I'll be able to get, say, something like that. If you remind me, if I don't remember. Right. Now, let us go through the remarkable things about this very piece. Now, the kanji, it tells us, let's see, quite a bit. Whole no, which is devoting this bell to the gods, and it's sho ichi e inari daimyo jin. That's something to do with the divine rank of someone. Za-o Dai Kei Gen, and this has something to do with the appearance of the Big Snake King. I know not what that really means. Let's see. Gunshu, a direct translation from a friend, is these guys want this bell to be made to ask the gods to protect them. Now, there's a person's name who was in charge, this is a rank of Ito Yoemon, that's a person's name, a guy's name, and he was a Betto, some kind of rank for a person of that area. Now, it mentions here Bo Shinbaru, which is one of the Chinese sexagenary cycle, one of the Chinese sexagenary cycle. Now, I had to look up that word too, so don't worry about it. It's something to do with the Chinese calendar, and Boshin Baru is spring, and Sangatsu, which is the third month, so this bell was made in March. And what's so significant about this bell is that the Edo period ran from 1603 to 1868. This bell was made in 1868, March of 1868, the very last year of the Edo period. Wow. Let's see, in K.O. Yonnen, which translates to 1868. Now it mentions some names of some other people who are involved in this. Ito Nagemon, that's a guy's name, from Ikadamura, from the village of Ikada. Also it mentions another guy here, Takahashi Yasuka, from Nangyo-mura, Nangyo village. And let's see now, some other interesting information here we have is Goyo Imonoshi, which is the person that cast this bell. Now the maker's name was Hasegawa Bonosuke. And what's so interesting also about this is Jurokusai Saku. He was 16 years of age. Yeah. This is an amazing bell. Now, due to its cracking, let's see now, which is here, you'll see some cracking here, and cracking down here. Now, this is so unfortunate and sad. Well, you know, just have to let that go. But that's the way it is. I guess if you wanted to, you could have someone probably weld, say, internally, to improve it. I personally feel that it should find its way into someone's garden and laid to rest. You know, but obviously, you know, as you heard, it still is a lovely sound. You know, it still is capable of that. So, you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda, if it wasn't cracked. But this is one of the most amazing and culturally significant pieces you'll see here that I've ever had in my possession, and you know, wow, just wow. You can see by the paint flecks here, it's gone through the ceremony of the change of the bell, and it is one of the most spectacular looking pieces ever devised by mankind. It's just wow. Just simply wow. What I'm going to do, namely because it's got crack. Oh, look at these! Look at the horns on these devils here. They're cool. These dragons and dragons on them. Isn't that cool? Wow. What I'm going to do to give everyone an opportunity, I'm going to put up a very cheap price, and hopefully you will have that chance. And there you are. So I do ask that this is not an obligation, but if you were to, you know, say if it did find its way into your garden, Japanese style garden, preferably, you know, if you sent me a picture, something like that, because this is one of the greatest things that one could possibly possess. Okay. ABAREBUGYO.